Hello students, welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Okay, students, today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Properties of 3D Shapes. Okay, so today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Properties of 3D Shapes. Okay, students, what did we learn in last class? What did we learn in last class, ma'am? So last class we learned about 3D shapes. Okay, last class we learned about 3D shapes. Okay, so today we are going to learn about properties of 3D shapes. Okay, so properties of 3D shapes. Students, listen. Let us revise now. Okay, see the board all of you. What is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? What is the shape, ma'am? Cube. Okay, so this shape is cube. Okay, next this shape. What is the shape, ma'am? Very good. Cone. Okay, so this shape name is cone. Okay, students listen. This shape, ma'am. What is the shape? Cylinder. Okay, so this shape name is cylinder. Okay, so cylinder shape. Next one, cube. This cone. Okay, children, listen carefully. What is the shape? What is the shape, ma'am? Sphere. Okay, the shape is sphere. So S-P-H-E-R-E. So sphere. Okay. Next one, children listen. So this shape is cuboid. Okay. So this shape name is cuboid. Did you understand now, children? This shape cylinder. Okay. Next this one cube. This one cone. Okay. Next this sphere. Next cuboid. Okay, so cylinder shape, cube, cone, sphere, cuboid. Okay, so this fully 3D shapes. Okay, 3D means 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. Okay, 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. Okay, children. So there are 5 shapes are given. So first cuboid, cone, cuboid, sphere, cylinder are solid shapes. Okay, did you understand now? Okay, children, see the slide all of you. So unit 4, shapes, lines and patterns. Okay, children, so today day 5. Okay, today day 5. Students, listen here. Have you finished your homework, ma'am? Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework, ma'am? Okay, children. Take your worksheet, ma'am. Take your homework. Page number 79. Okay, page number 79. Children, so first question, listen here. Write the correct shape name. Draw the shape twice. Write the correct shape name. Draw the shape twice. Okay. Children, look at the slide. What is the first shape, ma'am? So first column, shapes are given. Okay. Next column, shape name. Okay. Third column, drawing 1. Next fourth column, drawing 2. Okay, the first shape. What is the first shape, ma'am? Cylinder shape. Okay, the first picture, cylinder shape. Okay, so write the shape name, cylinder. Children, check your answers, ma'am. So first shape, cylinder. Okay, next B picture is here. What is the shape? Cube. Okay, so the shape name cube. Next see, listen here. So C shape name cone. Okay, C shape name cone. Next D sphere. Okay, D sphere shape. Okay, so D sphere shape. Next E listen mark. What is the shape for E? Cuboid. Okay, E shape cuboid. So first one cylinder, next cube, C cone shape, D sphere, E cuboid. Okay student, check your answers. Children, see the next slide. Shapes are given. Okay, first 2D shapes, below 3D shapes. Okay, so 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. Next 3D shapes. So 3D means three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children, 2D shapes are also called flat shape. Okay, 2D shapes are also called flat shape. Next one 3D shapes. So 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. Okay, so 2D shapes, flat shapes, 3D solid shapes. Okay, students listen carefully. How are flat shapes and solid shapes different mark? How are flat shapes and solid shapes different? Listen to the question mark. How are flat and solid shapes different? Children, solid shapes we can hold. Okay, we can hold solid shapes but not flat shapes. Okay, we can hold solid shapes but not flat shapes. Okay, students, look at the next slide now. Children, already we know 3D shapes. Okay, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Okay, children, see the next slide. So 3D shapes pictures are given. Okay, shapes are given. So first shape cube, next cylinder, next one cone, next sphere, pyramid and cuboid. Okay, first shape name cube, second shape name cylinder, next one cone, next sphere, next pyramid, last one cuboid. Okay, students listen. Next we see the properties of 3D shapes. Okay, properties of 3D shapes. Children, we see the properties of 3D shapes. Okay, students listen here. Students listen. Look at the board all of you. So 3D shapes. Okay, so 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. Okay, 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. So solid shapes have faces, okay, edges and vertices. Okay, so vertices. Okay children, solid shapes have faces, edges and vertex. Okay children, faces are curve and curve are flat. Okay, faces are flat or curve sides. Okay, next edges. Edges are sharp lines. Okay, edges are sharp lines where two faces meet. Okay, next vertex. So vertex means the vertex is a corner. Okay, a vertex is a corner. Okay, children, two edges meet at a point, corner. Okay, a vertex is a corner mark. So the point is corner. Okay, two edges meet a point is corner. Okay, so a vertex is a corner. edges. Next one, vertex. Okay, so faces are flat or curved sides. Next edges. So edges are sharp lines. So where two faces meet, edges. Okay, last one, vertex. So a vertex is a corner. Okay, so two edges meet at a point, corner. Okay, did you understand now? Okay children, see the slide. So first one, cube shape are given. Okay, a cube is made up of 6 squares. Okay, these 6 squares are called faces. Thus a cube has 6 faces. Okay, students, once again, a cube is made up of 6 squares. These 6 squares are called faces. Okay, thus a cube has 6 faces. Children, listen. First we see the properties of cube. Okay, first we see the properties of cube. Children, look at the board, all of you. Students, listen. So first we see the properties of cube. Okay, what is the shape, ma? What is the shape? Can you guess? Cube shape. Okay, so this cube shape. Listen here, children. So first we see the properties of cube. Okay, next we will draw the cube shape. So first we will draw the square shape. Next another square. Next join the corner. Okay, so first we will draw the cube shape. Children, listen here. This cube shape. Okay, how many faces in cube, ma? How many faces? Faces are the flat or curve. Okay, faces are the flat or curve sides. Children, so this cube shape. Okay, so this faces. Okay, so this face, square faces. Okay, so 6 square faces. Okay, children, listen. So first this face 1. Okay, next this side 2. Next 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many faces in cube shape, ma? 6 faces. Okay, so there are 6 faces. Okay children, so number of faces 6. Okay children, once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so total number of faces 6. Okay children, so 6 faces are flat faces. Okay, 6 faces are flat faces. So 6 square faces. Okay children, look at the cube. So this square face. Okay, flat face, na? So but this shape square. Okay, next this side also square. Okay, so 6 square faces. Next edges, ma. Children, next we will count the number of edges. Okay, see the cube shape. Edges are the sharp lines. Okay, edges are the sharp lines where two faces meet. Meet is edges. Okay, two faces meet edges. Okay, children. So now we will count the number of edges. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Next this side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 edges. Next 9, 10, 11, 12. So edges are the sharp lines. Okay, so there are 12 edges in a cube. Okay, so number of edges 12. Okay, faces 6, edges 12. Okay children, next we will count the vertex. Okay, so a vertex is a corner. Okay, so vertices, listen children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so vertices 8. Okay, so 8 vertices. Okay children, did you understand? Faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Okay, Children, next we see the properties of cuboid. Okay, see the slide all of you. Students listen, look at the slide. So this cube shape. Okay, so edges 12. Next faces 6, vertices 8. Okay, next we see the properties of cuboid. Children, look at the board all of you. Students listen. So second shape cuboid. Okay, cuboid. Okay, students, first we will draw the cuboid shape. Students listen all of you. So this cuboid shape. Okay, first we will count the number of faces. Okay, so this face. Okay, so this face, this also face. Okay, next this also face. Okay children, so first we will count the number of faces. Okay, students listen. So first this face 1. Okay, this flat face ma. So 1. Next below one face. So 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Next this face 3. Next this face 4. Okay, next this one 5. Okay, next this one 6. Okay, so 6 flat faces. Okay, so number of faces 6. Children, look at the cuboid. So 6 faces are rectangle faces. Okay, 6 faces are rectangle. Children listen here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number of faces 6. Okay children, so faces is equal to 6. Okay, so 6 faces are rectangular faces. Okay, next we will count the number of edges. Children listen here. So edges is sharp line. Okay, so where 2 faces made is edges. Okay, so but this is edge. Okay ma, the sharp line is edge. So now we will count the number of edges. Okay, students listen carefully. So this one edge. Okay, this sharp line is edge. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 edges. Next this side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 edges. Next 9, 10. Next 11, 12. Okay, so there are 12 edges. Okay, next we will count the number of vertices. Children, vertices is corner. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of vertices 8. Did you understand ma? So faces 6, edges 12 and vertices 8. Okay children, once again, so this face. Okay, faces are flat or curved sides. So this face is fully flat faces. Okay, 6 rectangular faces. Children, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces. Edges are sharp lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. So edges 12. Next vertex. So vertices means corner. Okay, vertex is a corner. So 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of vertices 8. Children, look at the slide. So 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, children, see the next slide now. Next we will compare the square and cube shape. Okay, next we will compare the square and cube shape. So first one, square shape. Okay, so this is a square. It is a 2D shape. Okay, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next point, it is a flat shape. Okay, next another picture, cube. Children, listen. Look at the next picture, ma. So cube shape. So this is a cube. This is a 3D shape. When 6 squares come together, we get a cube. Okay, when 6 squares come together, we get a cube. Next, fourth one, it has thickness. Okay, it has thickness. Children, see the next slide. Next, we will compare the rectangle shape and cuboid shape. Okay, rectangle and cuboid. Children, first picture, listen here. So this is a rectangle. Okay, it is a 2D shape. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. It is a flat shape. Okay, next see the another slide now. See the another picture. So next one, cuboid. Okay, so this is a cuboid. It is a 3D shape. When 6 rectangles come together, we get a cuboid. Okay, it has thickness. Okay, did you know difference, ma? So first picture, rectangle. Next one, cuboid. Okay, so 6 rectangles come together, we get a cuboid. Okay, students, see the next slide. So next one, cone. Students, look at the board. Students, listen here. So what is the shape? Cone. Okay, so this shape is cone. Now we will draw the cone shape. Okay, children, listen. So this shape, cone. Okay, see the shape, ma. So this cone shape. Okay, so there are 2 faces are given. Okay, children, so this flat face. Okay, so this flat face, this curve face. Okay, so number of faces 2. Okay, 1 flat face, 1 curve face. Okay, so faces 2. Faces 2. Next is edges. Edges means sharp lines, edges. Okay, so this edge. Okay, so how many edges in a cone, ma? 1. Okay, so this edge. Okay, so edge is 1. Okay, next we will count the vertex. So vertex is corner. Okay, so only 1 corner. Okay, so vertex 1. Okay, so there are 2 faces, ma. 1 flat face, another 1 curve face. Okay, next edges is sharp line, so 1 edge only. Okay, next vertex 1. Okay, vertex 1. So faces 2, edge 1 and vertex 1. Okay, see the slide. See the cone shape. So 2 faces, 1 circular and 1 triangular. Next 1 vertex, then 1 edge. Okay, students, see the next one. What is the shape, ma? Cylinder. Okay, the shape is cylinder. Students, listen. What is the shape? Cylinder. Okay, so this shape, cylinder. How many faces in a cylinder, ma? How many faces? Can you guess? How many faces? 3 faces. Okay, so 2 flat face, 1 curve face. Okay, so totally 3 faces. Okay, children, so this face flat face. Okay, so this face also flat face, this one curve face. Okay, so total number of faces 3. So 2 flat faces and 1 curve face. Okay, next children, listen. First we will draw the cylinder shape. Okay, so number of faces 3. Okay, 2 flat face and 1 curve face. Next edges. Okay, so this edge. Okay, so edges 2. Okay children, next corner. So corner means vertices. Okay, so vertices, how many vertices in a cylinder? No. Okay, so cylinder has no vertices. Okay, no corner. Okay, so faces 3, edges 2 and vertices 0. Children listen once again, this cylinder shape. Okay, so 3 faces. So 2 flat face, this 1 flat face, next to this one. So 2 flat face and 1 curve face. So totally 3 faces. So this edge. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so 2 edges and vertices, no vertices. So 0. Okay, vertices means corner mark. Okay, so vertices 0. Children, look at the slide. So cylinder shape, faces 3, edges 2, corners 0. Okay. See the next slide. What is the shape mark? Sphere. Okay. Students, listen. Students, listen here. What is the shape mark? What is the shape? Sphere. Okay. So this shape sphere. First we will draw the sphere shape. Okay, so sphere shape. Children, first we will count the faces. So faces only 1 curve face. Okay, so faces 1. Okay children, so faces 1. Next we will count the edges. Next vertices. Students listen here. So how many edges ma? How many edges in a sphere shape? No. Okay. So edges, no edges ma. So 0. Okay. Next vertex. How many vertices ma? No. Okay. So vertices 0. Okay children. So only 1 curve face. Okay. So this is face bar. So only 1 curve face. Edges no. So no edges and no vertices. Okay. So 0. Vertices also 0. Okay students, see the slide. So faces 1, edges 0 and corners 0. Okay. Students listen. Next take the worksheet now. Take the worksheet. Page number 80. Page number 80, worksheet number 6. Take fast. I am giving 5 seconds. Okay. Page number 80 and worksheet number 6. Students listen. Take fast. Page number 80. Look at the board all of you. Students listen. So first shape. Okay, first column shape are given. Next one shape name. Okay, then edges, corners and faces. Students listen. What is the shape mark? What is the shape? Cone. Okay, first we write the shape name. So this shape is cone. Okay, students listen here. So how many edges form? Next column edges, next corners, next faces. Okay, so how many edges in a cone shape? How many edges? 1. Okay, only 1 edge are given. Okay, so edges 1. Next corner. So how many corners? 1. Okay, so only 1 corner. So corners 1. Next faces. How many faces ma? How many faces? 2 faces. Okay. So 1 flat face, 1 curve face. So 2 faces. Write fast. So shape name cone, edges 1. So this edge. Okay. The sharp line edge ma. So 1 edge, corner 1 corner, Next faces, two faces. One flat face and one curved face. So two faces. Children, see the next one. What is the shape? Sphere. Okay. First write the shape name. So this shape sphere. Okay. Children, listen. How many edges? How many edges, ma? No. Okay, yeah. So 0. Next corner. No corner. Okay. So corners 0. Next faces, ma. How many faces in a sphere? Only one face. Okay, yeah. This curve face. Okay. So faces 1. Okay, students. Students, listen. Next C, D and E shape homework. Okay, worksheet number 6, page number 80. So C, D and E homework. Okay, is it clear, ma? So first write the shape name. Next count the number of edges, corners and faces. Okay, so C, D and E homework. Students, what did we learning today, ma? What did we learning today? Very good. So today we learned about properties of 3D shapes. Okay. So today we learned about properties of 3D shapes. Okay, children. Thank you, dear. See you next class, ma. Okay.